Good morning. We slept in very late today. Was having very strange dreams. Like just tossing and turning. I woke up in the middle of the night and my arm was literally numb, hanging off the bed. So I lost all feeling in that. And then I just didn't really have a good sleep last night. So got up late. Not particularly happy about that, but still gonna just move on with the day. Had my breakfast. Some nice sourdough with almond butter and apple butter. And then we're gonna maybe walk the dog and go to Costco. Show us the belly, your trap, your corn. Oh my god, there's so much ice. So we're back from grocery shopping and I feel like we haven't had almond milk in this house for a very long time. So my coffees have been subpar because I love almond breeze, almond milk in my coffee. So we got a box and now I just made a nice yummy coffee. Oh man, that tastes so good. I think regular milk tastes like absolute ass. I hate it so much. It's like literally, all I can think of is grass when I smell milk or drink milk. It's just the dirt, grass, I don't know. But I'm gonna finish my little slice of pizza, hang out with Sedona a little bit, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and finish editing some more videos. It's tough to think of like actually doing 30 days because it's what, not September. It's February 5th. No, my watch is wrong. What the hell? What day is it today?
12.
Oh my gosh. It's February 12th and I have to do vlogs till the 17th. And because we went away and I had already caught up, now I'm actually behind again. So I'm like 5, 6, 7. I have like 8 vlogs to edit to catch up. So that's going to take me like at least a day and a half. Not straight, but you know, like today, tomorrow, I should be able, maybe a little bit on Monday to catch up. And then, well, actually, because then I lose today and tomorrow. So anyways, it's just a long process, but I'm learning a lot, actually. I really am. I'm learning a lot about my workflow. I'm learning a lot about the program itself because I've run into a number of issues that I've had to resolve, which is good. That's part of the learning process. I'm just kind of learning the discipline of actually sticking to something, following through, seeing it all the way to the end, gathering the data and results, and then moving forward from there. So it's been a productive day somewhat so far, and I'm going to continue the rest of the day being very productive. I can hear Mike playing with Sedona downstairs and she's barking. She never barks, and I'm going to try to sneak up on her in the house and see. I'm going to try to be very quiet though.
Yay! What?
She was over by the stairs, looking in the dark in the basement, just barking. Yeah, we were like, and so we came over there. I'm like, what's going on? Flashlight, we came over.
You barking?
I love you. Good night. So for Christmas, I gave Mike a photo of us. Our wedding. He just bought a frame today. He's gonna get it all ready. The big reveal. Wow. Wow, look at those two kids. Fuck, we look good. Our kids are gonna see that and be like, wow, like mom and dad look so sharp. We look good. Like models. Unbelievable. Yum. This is what I do when I have leftovers. Whip up a quick sauce, throw some protein, and feed my man. We're gonna watch,
We're getting it up.
We're getting it up. Offshore banking, here we go. Okay, so I'm tapping out for the night. I just finished editing last Saturday's vlog. So Quebec Part 2, Freedom Convoy. You guys will see it though before you see this video. So I'm getting ready for bed. We had a really good dinner. And that is it, my friends. I will see you tomorrow for another vlog. A whole day of editing vlog. Oh, and church.